didn't crash this time. Good. Okay. My mouse is moving on its own because the Bluetooth. Man. Are you serious? Oh well. It should be okay. Oh no, okay, duh. I was wondering why it was moving on its own. It's because I had my PS5 controller plugged in. And there was like a wire touching it, and it was like activating the touch thing. It wasn't a live wire. I mean, not entirely. I don't think. Anyways, moving on. So a lot has changed. I'm currently working on a table generator now. So everything works as expected. All these values you see are the excitement levels of each neuron. I definitely am in dire need of updating the readme.markdown thing. So I'm actually going to write a generator explaining what everything is. Reach! Holy F! How you doing? What? Dude, it's so good to see you. Oh my gosh. Also, why do I have two of these? Oh, no, yeah, that's why. Dude, it's been forever. I'm pretty good, man. Hanging in there. You know how it be. Working on some extremely advanced and perplexing artificial intelligence stuff. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. It's a part of a challenge that I gave myself. I really am. I've like been a hermit. Add me on Discord, dude. Hold on. Discord /me/homie. Get it? Yeah, so it is that. Hawk Whisper is my Discord. And the old method, if you need the ID thing, is... Where is it? 7615. Dude, I have missed you, man. It's funny you like you just happened to show up too, because like the other day I was reminding like myself of the dubs that we used to do. Like randomly in my head, I just thought of like the whole Sonic X thing that we were doing a long time ago. Yeah, no, I know. I gave up on Facebook. Like Facebook, it like destroys my inner child, and then causes my inner child to destroy other people's inner children. You get it? Yeah. If you know, you know. uh, what the heck would you call Z? So it's like you have horizontal and vertical. Like, what do you call like the term for like forwards and backwards? Politics? You know what we'll call that? Politics position? No, let's not do it. Politics, indeed, though. Also, what do Kardashians and politicians have in common? They're both toxic. Stop. Okay. Distance. Both fake. Got him. Okay. So then we have our other things like health. Oops. I need to add those. Yeah, I need to generate a table though, because like manually doing this is a pain in the nipples. It makes them lactate tears of despair. Okay, yeah, I need to. And it's getting so complicated now that I'm literally needing to use the documentation like for myself, even though I wrote it. Like it goes so nested right now, and it's so complex, but it's really cool. Having a lot of fun with it. And since it's a challenge, I can't cheat. Like, I'm not using like any other methods that are known for artificial intelligence, and we're not punching hookers, and you know what I mean. But Creech, I have missed you, dude. Where'd my brain go? Oh, yeah. Ah, hello, typo. You would have caused me issue later. Miss the old days of game making? Miss the online crew? I know, dude. 414 Johnny B, Carly, Kuro, the OG teams, dude. And Styx, which was like the most amazing voice actor we've ever even began to talk to. Dude, it's, like, Styx was on such a higher level than we were. Like, dude, that Styx had like real professional stuff going on, dude. Perfect for Tails' voice. It's been 10 years. Yeah, I know. I know. It is insane how fast time goes, dude. I just seen somebody walk by a reflection of my glasses. I'm being spied on. Creeps, the government's gonna come take my baby. uh... They can have it. Yeah, you're right. You're right. I never wanted this thing anyway. Get out of here. You. No, stop. We're not doing that. You just like soccer kick the baby like directly towards the government agency trying to take it. And knock him out with it. Yep, that's the ADHD that I miss. See, dude, it didn't even take 5 minutes for like you to come back, and then for my brain just to be like, okay, yep, let's roll it. Dude, I'm so glad to be in contact with you again, though, seriously. Yeah, add me on Discord, though. If you haven't already sent the request. My brain's been like that. You have kids now? Congrats, for one. And two, I take it you're probably married as well. Oh, yeah, that's right. No. Yeah. I remember you getting married. I think. Was that you? It might have been you. Anyway, congrats on the kids. Dude, what the F? Zyle, what? What the hooker? Huh? Okay, this is indeed a reunion of some kind. I have no idea why, but it is, and I love it. Okay, so Zyle, you're gonna love this. What I'm doing here is a type of artificial intelligence idea method that I have going on. You have like neural functions and there's a lot to it, but I'm doing a challenge for myself because like I'm trying to make an artificial intelligence system without knowing how other artificial intelligence systems work. So far, so good. What I have at the moment, how can I explain this? Okay. I will open up GIMP and do an explanation real quick. because the GIMP is pimp. Also, hi Neo, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. Something to say. Oh, Creech, I need to make you a mod because yeah, you my homie. I'll make you a mod later. So ends up forgetting. All right, so Zyle, in the concept that I'm coming up with, you have neurons, right? These are little things, and they have like a random amount of inputs and outputs. C pointers have been giving me a janky time, but I finally, like, okay, that's the one thing that I did cheat on. Like, I looked up like C pointers. Like, I guess that's not really cheating though. But why is it so complicated and yet simple? Anyways, yeah. So like, you know, allocating. Let's see, where's my brain.c? Oh my gosh. I need to organize my workspace again, dude. It's getting out of hand. Right now, I'm writing like a little table generator for Markdown because I don't feel like doing all that stuff myself. Anyway, yeah, like allocating like pointer-based objects and but I finally got it. It's all figured out. So I need your code on Discord. Do you? All right, one sec. Discord. So yeah, I'm about to show you my concept for it though in a minute. And so far, so good. 7615 Creech. 7615. Hawk Whisper 7615. Okay, so in the idea that I have, like, you have input nodes in each neuron, and you have output nodes, and each of these nodes contains two things. Let me go ahead and where's it? Neuron.h. Each of these nodes has three things. Sorry, a unique ID to them, wire efficiency, and an in and out index. So basically, the index is the in and out index is the unique ID of the connecting neuron. So, and then you have like the wire efficiency here. So basically, each neuron will like send its own, it'll send a value that it has randomly. Excitement is the value. And yeah, so how do I explain this though? Basically, each neuron has a favoritism array that's equal to the length of all the neurons like in the brain. And depending on what it's getting the signal from, it'll either be more excited or less excited. And that just chains. It keeps chaining and like chaining and chaining. And as you process the brain commands, see like the update brain function here, for example, we iterate through all the neurons, and they're given a random update function. In this case, actions.move.run. You can mod it, like these are generated through a node script that I have. If they don't already exist, they get generated. Pre-compiler stuff. It's very in depth with how I have like the compiler and everything. But anyway, so yeah, you set the command and the excitement. So okay, I lost track of what I was saying. Long story short though, this neuron can like this neuron. So if we have an input neuron that like reads image data, all right, and sends it to here, and this is a move neuron, basically everything gets added to a stack of commands, and those commands then get executed by the life form by the brain. You know how like it chains together. Anyways, so depending on the signal, the excitement level of the command that's generated by the neurons, like reading, like input and output and all that, that impacts how much that command works. So this will basically be like, let's say the movement command. If it's negative, then whatever this neuron that's pushing the image data to sees, then this neuron will want, well, it'll tell the brain to tell the life form to move away rather than to. But if this neuron likes this input, this visual input neuron, then it's gonna more likely be moving towards it. And so then we have the overall, like, yeah, there's a lot of variables here, but they're all carefully thought out and everything. This is like explaining it all in one go. It would take a literal hour just to explain. But yeah, and that's pretty much how it works. And then where is it? Yeah, so you got health, age, and brownie points for these. The brownie points is calculated by the age multiplied by the health, and like depending on infinite factors, like whatever the heck you want to set up, the health will either decrease or increase. And so therefore, based on how old it is and its overall health value, that will be its remaining score. When health reaches 0, it dies off and its score is recorded during the training. And the ones with the highest scores move on. And you get like memory, reading and writing. You get sensories like listening, pain, pleasure, sight, smell, taste, tickle, whatever the heck you want to add here. States like age state, like you can have something happen as it gets older. Billions of different like possibilities that you can apply. And in theory, this should allow for a learning environment. So like it should be able to make adjustments to itself in an environment that it hasn't seen because of these functions. And that's what I'm hoping anyway. And then I'm using multi-threading as well because I don't know how to access, like, I don't know how to use the GPU yet. And I'm using a TCP server to display everything on like a web page, like a temporary web page. The JavaScript is used for like generating various things. So, for example, I am using a, hold on, let me find it. Here we go. A neural struct here, right? I'm using a JSON file to rapidly generate the types of functions that I need. And I'm using JavaScript to run like before the compiler so that it generates these. If I like want to add a new neural function, I'll just add it here and then I'll update it. Like, and then see, for example, okay, right now we have states. Right now we have in the neural functions we have actions, choices, emotions, memory, sensory, and states. But if I wanted to add another one, like let's say something, whatever you want to call it, then it's gonna automatically add that. So if I do that, then now when we build, it'll create a template that I can work with from there. And yeah, so delete that. We don't need that. That's one thing that it does. And another thing that it does is like allows me to use various like commands in here. For example, when I'm generating the random, like when I'm creating the random instance of the function list here, I actually have a command. If I do neuron.c in the create neuron thing, you see, anyways, I can turn something like this into an automated like thing that iterates. It finds all of the working, like it finds all the neuron functions and applies them to a function pointer array. I can do this like in the compiler time because we're not going to be adding new commands directly dynamically, because that would be extraordinarily tough in C, and I have no idea how to do that yet. Maybe I'll adjust it in the future, but yeah, I can get rid of that comment now. So basically the names of violin is a nice instrument, I agree. The names of each of these things here, these are also like generated by the compiler script and everything. So this is just like the header generator, and speaking of, this is also automatically generated. This will find each and every single header and apply them to links.h, which is then applied through the main.header. And the reason we want to do this is because like we want to make absolutely sure, no matter what, that everything is defined, so everything has access to it. Also, as a safety net, you don't see it here, but at the very top, like the very, very top of each C file before compiling, I also make sure to include main.h, because there have been instances like where it tries to do it, like it tries to compile a program before making it, but these are my compiler threads. I can get rid of that. I was trying OpenGL at some point. I think I'll just keep it there though, in case I want to try OpenGL again later. But yeah, this is like the compiler options here, and the build shell script. First, we clear out the links .h file, and then we start rebuilding it. And then after we build that, we run the node/build tools, which is kind of like a hot generated mess right here. A bunch of different things. You get like fancy printout if you want. Header generator, the string parser. I need to clean the code up a little bit, but this is basically where all the regular expression stuff comes from to, yeah, and basically what it does is it copies this source directory here over to the temp directory, which is stored in RAM, I believe it should be, before like making the adjustments to the commands, such as this, to generate a bunch of random different stuff, to automatically include headers that it requires, all that good stuff. It does all that under the table, like, and then it compiles that from the piano not pain. Anyway, it compiles it from the temp directory before finally being sent over to the build, where the actual function gets executed, the command. But for converting image assets for a program generated .cnh file. Wait, what? Oh, this is the type of build script that wait, the kind of thing you're coding right this second, dude. The wavelengths, bruh. Yeah, I was trying to do this all in shell, but I said screw that. So I just went, because like I would be here for 2 weeks trying to figure that out, dude. So like I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna use Node because I'm familiar with it, and if anyone wants to complain that I'm using Node, well, they actually have a right to. But at the same time, yeah, I am not about to waste like forever. You're doing it all in CMake? Why? Why? Why torment yourself? Xyle, you know, there comes a... Okay. What's that Jurassic Park meme? You were so focused on whether or not you could that you didn't think about whether or not you should? Is it? Is CMake actually easier? Dude, Make has been giving me issues at first, dude. In particular, like wildcard and like trying to do like a recursive wildcard thing. Anyway. Yeah, I can... let's see. So I'm gonna go back to my table generator for the markdown file so that I can like quickly generate markdown tables. Make files are just too confusing. Dude, they are. They make no sense. Like, they make sense, but they don't. Kind of like a superconductor. It makes sense, but it doesn't. What was I doing? Where's my brain at? Oh, yeah. I was looking at the values. Yeah. So then we did the mutex. So I'm using mutex as for like pthread synchronization. Okay, so that's one. That's the life form. Calling Dr. Juan. Stop. I'm doing that. And now I'm going to do the brain. Yeah. But yeah, I'm in love with C right now, dude. C programming. It's just, it's nice. It's really nice and super fast. Okay. Array of neurons. Input. Output nodes. Well, I'll just do array of neurons. And then neuron count. And then the amount of neurons. So yeah, I'm actually using a neuron, like an integer to count the amount of things instead of like using size of to get the size of an array pointer, because of that. Hello? Okay, be safe. Thank you. We'll get it there either tonight or tomorrow. Alright, you be safe. Love you too. Bye. But yeah. Get it, kitty. Get the mouse, kitty. Okay, so that's that one. Wait, what? What did I just do? Huh? Oh, yeah. Okay. Why's my formatter not working properly? Kind of triggering, actually, a little bit. There we go. Okay. Now I'm going to define the command struct here. No, neuron first. Yeah, no, definitely neuron first. No, I guess we can do yeah, the neuro command struct first, because yeah. Command the label of the command string, or the command, not comment. And then the excitement. Complex value calculated. Wait, well, I'll just say it like it is. Impacts the, well, used for command processing as a multiplier. That's it. Okay, so now we're moving on to the neuron class. So yeah, basically Xyle, I'll send, like, I'll make a PDF of the README thing whenever it's done, and you can see like how it's gonna get it, kitty. Anyway, you can see how it's gonna be like working and stuff like that. This will explain it a lot better than what I can like verbally explain. But yeah, it's been a lot of fun so far. And inputs, array of input nodes. Outputs, array of output nodes. Okay, so we're having floats. Just gonna copy and paste that. General quality. Well, yeah, I mean, we can just, yeah, say that. Also used in calculating excitement values. An array the length of the neuron counts in the brain, used to multiply or divide excitement values. I don't know how else to describe that. Like, oh yeah. Last communication doesn't need to be there anymore. Is anything else using this? No. Guitar lesson is done. Nice. You jamming? You jamming, dude? Gotta keep jamming, dude. Alright. Anyway, outputs. Okay. Ready. Okay, it kind of triggers me that I'm... Why did I do that? Oh well, I'll rename the variables later. I don't feel like finding each script that makes use of those yet. See, this is why it's good to document stuff, because I would not have caught that in a while. Okay, this flute. Wire efficiency. I always hated my finger exercise. Whoa, keep it PG. Oh god. Okay, stop. My grandma was a beast about that. That stupid like little symbol thing. Hold on. One sec, this right here is like always in the dang way of the text. So like sometimes I can't like read the text and it's obnoxious. Anyway. Organize that a little bit better. Anyway, like, yeah, it's very complex, like how I have it all set up. Okay, so we did that. We did the neuron. We did the neural input and output, right? Oh no, oh wait, yeah, no, I did. We're not quite done yet, though. Alright, so after the UID, get you up here at the top. Make sure it's all organized. Alright, so after the UID, and after the favoritism, we have the command results. Now, Xyle, I want to explain like why I did this instead. This is actual unholy dark magic. Okay, so if I set this to the exact same thing as the right here, if I set it to this, even if, okay, well that works, okay. Setting it to the neural command struct, it does work. But now, like, you can edit it by, you know, like editing one of the okay, the update function does recognize it, right? So you can set it like this, just the same. However, the unholy dark magic part, if we set it to that, whenever we try to define the command here for the brains, like tie it together like this, somehow this part of the code, and I've tried disabling optimizations as well, that doesn't do it. Somehow this part of the code thinks that this object is now an integer type. What? So I even tried setting it as a constant, but it's still, it thinks that the neuron's command results is an integer. Unless I specifically say, unless like I make it a an anonymous struct. Now, how does that make sense? What? Tell you, dude, pointers, man. Some jank magic. Where am I? Okay, so let me go back to Func.c. No, that's okay. Okay, Xyle, this will blow your mind though. It makes absolutely zero sense. Okay, if I, instead of using an anonymous struct, right, if I use the struct that we already have defined, the neural command struct, which have these values, everything works just fine. Like this function here, it'll update the values for this just the same, except when I try to link the index command, the command index from the brain, to the same values here. Even though this right here does work, but only this only works if I specifically define the command result as an anonymous struct, because if it's not, it thinks that it's an integer even if I set it to a constant type. And it's only the update part that gets messed up. Like this, everything is able to read and write to that struct except the update brain function. And I have no idea why. Like it thinks that this is an integer. So I need to pressing exit out. All right, watch. Okay, if I do this, it should run. No, okay, I changed something. What did I change? Oh yeah, last communication. I don't need it anymore. Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? Neuron. Okay, brain.c. Huh? Where's the update? Oh yeah, no. Okay, I do need to keep the last connection. All right. Last connection or last communication is what. Yeah, I forgot that actually was using the last communication variable. So I'll update that in a minute. So now it's all running, right? Meaning it's all getting updated. The brain thing right here is processing and it's setting the command and excitement values like it should. Now, if I turn the neuron.h thing here, now if I set this as a struct, so if we do what was the name of it? Neural command struct. So if I set it to neural command struct, command results underscore results. Now, for unknown reasons, it thinks that it's an integer. Now it's saying it's not a struct or a union, but it is a structure in a union. And remember, this part is being processed after this. So this function here in the update function, which is weirdly enough also called control click on neural command struct. Okay. It's right here. Hold on. Where is it? Brain.h. Neural command struct. See, okay, this is being processed, right? I even have neuron.h here, and then I even tried like putting the brain header before initializing all that as well. So it does work, but like I said, like this part here is working just fine, and this is adjusting the values inside of the struct, right? But even though the function right here updates it just fine, for some magic reason, afterwards, or even before, I think, you cannot set it because it thinks that it's an integer type. So what I mean by that is, like, watch, if I were to try to set it equal to self, okay, commands I equals self neurons I. Now watch what it says. Well, now it's still doing that because I didn't save the thing apparently. But line 53, it'd be, oh yeah. It's because I needed to like redefine the thing here. I was like, I forgot, thank you for helping me find that. I actually forgot that I had that. One sec. Yeah, see? Now it's saying it's a type neuron. So it's following the type of like whatever the previous thing was for some reason. Oh, wait, no, I'm sorry. I'm stupid. I just did that. I just did a derp. One sec. Dot command results. All right, there we go. Right there. Yeah, no, I know. I just did a derp there. See, okay, in the brain, right? The brain is a command. The brain has a command struct array commands, and it is being properly defined. It is being set right here. Commands equals we're properly allocating enough memory for it. Yeah, dude, exactly. Like it's saying this. Now, check this out. It gets even weirder. If I change this to a const neural command struct command result, now absolutely nothing should be able to change this into an integer type after this, right? Well, that's not the thing. Right here. Well, you've seen it. Heck. What? Okay, control click on the command results at the end of self neurons. Tell you what, how about we instead run GBD? That slash, well, I need to recompile first. GBD dot slash build slash, wait, where's my function being executed to? Oh yeah, no, it's gonna be in temp. No, it's not in temp. Why are you not there? Hold on. Huh? I'll clean. Yeah, object directory. Oh, so it'll be here. No? Why is that there? Okay, hold on. Why is it not there? Where is my program being created? What? Yeah, object directory is build. Oh yeah, I don't have the plugin thing installed anymore because I redid the operating system. We'll do it next time though. Actually, if you want, Zyle, I can just publish this to Git and then you can check it out. So anyway, it's so strange. I am so mad. It'd be alright. Yeah, for some magic reason though, we have to make it an anonymous. The heck bit me? Anyway, we have to make it an anonymous struct. You're forwarding a struct there. So, well, yeah, not anonymous. Sorry, it's whatever you would call it. We have to like make it an like a struct that's defined upon creation for some reason. Being forced to watch an anime? That sounds fun. What anime? Anyway. Back to the table jam. Our next fire efficiency. Yeah, I think that's it. Right. Okay. Function make table. Nest equals, and we'll just say the input, and then for let item of input, or nest, not input. Okay, the best way I want to go about this. Yeah, okay, we can just do it that way. Resulting array equals that. Okay, no, yeah, we need an array of strings. So I need. Okay, resulting array dot push. Okay, hold on. Let's do const. Oh, son of a hooker. Why did I have to call it item dot? We'll do late. We'll do name. This is why my brain is like tired right now, because so many like different things I want to work on at the exact same time. We'll do name, description, type, and of course values equals item. Floating area dot push. Tell you what. Var str equals that. If name str plus equals was like that, right? Like I think. Heck, no, I already forgot how to make a table. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's what it is. All right. So it's like that. And then no, we can't do a BR. Yeah, we can. Yeah, we can. Yeah. Okay. So that should generate the list of these, and then we do if values resulting array dot push input. No, what am I doing? It should just be values. Okay, so then we'll say the type. So we'll do type. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Now let me see what this generates for us. That's what I want. What am I doing here? Why did I do that? Yeah, nest. No, what am I doing? Make table out of the values. Yep, my brain is officially on cat smiley mode. But I am not giving up yet. Return resulting array dot join. Node dot slash md table. What? Oh. Son of a hooker. Value is not defined. Oh. Yeah, no. Craig's brain is definitely... Okay, the dot join thing should be like that. Yeah. No, because then we need to. How am I gonna like separate the lines like that? Huh? Maybe like this? Yeah, I have no idea. My brain is just fried right now, dude. Huh? Can you not create the game when gaming? Oh yeah, it's that troll again. Hey Zyle, if you want to kill your brain cells, listen to this. Go ahead, Mr. Troll. Intrigue me. No, you just not gonna do it. Well, I guess not. Anyway, I thought you were banned, by the way. Like, how'd you come back? You literally just make a new account just to say that, like, hey, don't make a game into it. I think, yeah, I think it's the same dude that was like, how do I delete your code? Uh, Wait, not yet though. Not yet though, Neo. Thank you, by the way, Neo. Oh, well, it's okay. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was the same guy. He was like, "Can you not make the game in a game engine?" That was the same dude, wasn't it? No, I almost accidentally made him a mod. Don't do that, YouTube. Let me go to his channel. Let's check his channel out. Huh? Is this the dude that was? That was Bill Gates' channel. Uh, um. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I don't want to unban him just in case, but at the same time, like if I don't know, because he did say, "Can you not make the game engine?" And this is very, very similar to the dude that was like, "How do I delete your code?" So it might be him, might not be. 300 seconds. How long is that? Yes, that's like a little over 3 minutes. 4 minutes, I think. Yeah. Why is this not working? Let me turn these into flashes. There we go. No. Uh. Huh? And now index. Gee. No, it's yeah. Okay, hold on. What? Hold on. Huh? Why is it only doing that one? Alright, if values, then it's doing that. Is this just right here not working at all? No, that's working. Okay, so we got those. Yeah, so then we... Okay, hold on. We do that first. And instead of /n, why is there another /n there? Writing life form. Yeah, okay. This is... My question is, who comes into a chat full of people with blue names? And that is a very valid question. Yeah, so then the resulting array should be... Huh? Alright, we do that, right? Okay, okay, I see. Alright, resulting array dot push. No, that's not gonna work either. Don't be a push. Okay, what's happening now? What did I do different? Oh, hold on, I have an idea. SCR plus equals that dot join. All right, but now it's what? What's happening, dude? I can no longer process logic right now. Yeah, see, like, we got the things here. It's all there. So why is it not... Huh? Huh? Okay, I get that we need to push... Okay, hold on. Resulting array dot push. Make table values. Now this should... Why is that an empty array? This returns that, and it should always be... What? What? Huh? Else resulting array dot push. Just an empty array. Why does that work, but this doesn't? Huh? This is always going to return at least an empty object, right? Huh? 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 What? Yep. No, time for me to call it a night. That is beyond confusing. Anyways. Yeah, thank you all for watching though. Sorry this stream was like mostly just me yapping. But yeah, no, that makes absolutely no sense as to why that would happen. I'm sure there's an obvious reason for it, but yeah. Anyways, bye guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Peace out. It's fine, I like talking. I agree. Talking's good.